Millions of people take the subway every day, often tired and in need of rest. Many of us will close our eyes and take a nap until our stop, but others rely on the subway for crucial shelter. The space of the subway, however, doesn't provide a comfortable experience. What if this could change? To soften the edges of the subway car as a place of rest, I propose a packable inflatable that would provide a warm and comfortable space for unhoused people. My first models included simple balloon extrusions that filled up the train car. This was intended to be a compact and quick way of creating space. The interior was ribbed, meant to accommodate the body. My final model includes a double skin. This is all packaged in the form of a bag, which could store personal items and also function as the shelter. This is inflated by an air pump and fills up the space between two train car seats. This soft form could provide a new way of space making for the unhoused person.